Shandong Mingde Machinery is a well-known global enterprise in the R&D, manufacturing, sales, and service of multifunctional attachments. Mingde has established strategic partnership with SSAB Company in Sweden and a member of Hardox in My Body Global Club and Hardox Wear Parts Global Processing Center. Mingde has a diligent, excellent technical R&D and manufacturing team and has passed the ISO, SGS, and CE certification. Get more than 30 patents of utility model, which greatly improved the company core competitiveness, continuously upgrading production and testing equipment, optimizing production process. Mingde realizes specialization, proceduralization, and standardization in each process of cutting, machining, welding, surface treatment, painting, assembling, testing, and other related processes, which made Mingde products got favor from more and more customers during the fierce competitive market. Meanwhile, Mingde actively develops and serves the international market, establishes R&D warehouse sales and after-sales service centers in North America, Japan, Northern Europe, Western Europe, and Australia. After more than 10 years of in-depth cooperation with domestic and foreign OEMs and peers, Mingde has developed 9 series of more than 1,000 specifications and models products: mine bucket, loader bucket, crusher bucket, screening bucket, hydraulic compactor, hydraulic shears, hydraulic grapple, ripper, quick hitch, long boom and arm, etc. Mingde Machinery is committed to developing together with its global peers to serve the world. Welcome new and old friends to visit the factory to get win-win cooperation.